Sunday. Arguably my favorite day of the week. Once not that long ago, my least favorite day of the week. 2 short years ago. If you asked me how I felt about a Sunday, I would have said it sucked. For the common man, which was me, Sundays mean tomorrow is Monday, the start of the work week. Going into a soul-sucking office, listening to bullshit I didn't care about, leaders who had no fucking clue of what being a leader meant, working and giving time to shit that didn't matter. Stare out my office window dreaming of a different life and wondering if this was always going to be me. There was no fucking way I could let that happen. I'm just gonna be honest. I'd rather jump in front of a train. Almost did. We only get one life. Most people spend theirs envisioning an after, serving a higher power in hopes that their soul-sucking existence means more and they will be blessed with eternal glory. Well, I don't believe in that. Not that there can't be an afterlife, just the thought of living for it. I wanted to live now. Why the fuck would I waste the life I know I for sure have in hopes of a better version after? Fuck that. I quit. I left that job. In fact, I made a YouTube video that I was quitting that toxic ass environment, and that's exactly how my bosses found out. It was awesome. I created an uproar. Fuck them. The hard part about doing anything new is just that, taking the first step. Once I did, I kinda jumped instead of taking a step. Fast forward and now here we are. Fucking Sundays. God damn do I love them. No alarm clock, no set agenda. Just being lazy or active, doesn't matter. We decide the day of. Whatever the day speaks to us, that's exactly what we do. I sometimes think of people still stuck in the vortex I was once in. I feel sorry for them. They look miserable in grocery stores. It's almost like I figured out how to get out of the matrix. Once my eyes were open and the reboot process was over, I realized how much this place actually has to offer. Now, I even like Mondays.